Good evening, this is Cholo Aldam, grade 11 news. Title of the video, Exogenic Process Mass Wasting, Earth Life and Science. Mass wasting. Mass wasting is a movement of rock, soil, and regolith. When we say regolith, this is the unconsolidated rock and dust that sit atop of layers, so it can be dust or pieces of rock. And a step that follow weathering. And the driving force of mass wasting is gravity. So I'm gonna give an example of mass wasting. First is landslide. We all know landslide are the most common mass wasting occurrence. Uh, so remember the landslides is lower than debris and rockfall, and also the landslide it caused by failure. It can be the material is weak or sensitive, and also can be the material is weathered, and when always raining, it can be cause of landslides or during typhoon. This is the example of landslide. Next is rockfall and debris flow. Rockfall occur when a piece of rock or mass of rock becomes dislodged and make free fall along steep cliff. When we say dislodge, this is the material sticking out the position, and because of that, it can be free fall or bouncing. I'm gonna share the picture. And because of free fall, we can definitely say that this is under the influence of gravity. Okay, so like I said while ago, it can be free falling or bouncing like this one, while the big one is just free falling and the small is bouncing. Uh, it is the vertical, and it can be also nearly vertical, the rapid slow movement of rock. So let's move on to the debris. Uh, debris seems like rockfall, but we need to think there is a involvement mixture of soil, regulate vegetation. The example of vegetation is tree and grass, like uh, on the picture. Uh, Last one is we have a flows. I should say. The flows commonly happen in humid areas like wet area, and that place the soil is clay rich. So the flows commonly involve water, air, and ice. So we have two kinds of flows. One is slurry flows. Second is granular flows. This I sorry. The slurry flows, it is more saturated with water. The slurry flows have a 20% to 40% that can be involves materials, and the materials can be soil, rock, and regolith. While the granule flows not saturated with water because of 0% to 20% the component water that involved in material. That is my entirely project. Thank you.